Hi, Christine here with Scrap and Rabbit. I have a tiny little journal. I call this a little micro mini journal because it's so small. It's 4¼ inches high by 3¼ inches across, and the spine is 1½ inches, but there are lots of pages in there, so there's still quite a bit of room for notes and journaling. And this would be handy to keep in your handbag. There are 4 signatures, and you can see the stitching on the spine. This is covered in fabric, and I have a pretty pink scrapbook paper on the front. I attached, this is from an old piece of jewelry, and I had this old chain, so I attached that to the side, and you can just undo this and add some more charms if you like, or you can just remove it altogether. And there's the back. I have some tea-stained cotton for ribbon ties, and these are easy to remove as well if you want to take them off the journal. If you don't want to keep them, use something else to keep it closed, or you don't even really need to keep it closed. You could just tie an elastic around it too if you wanted to. And it comes with this little bookmark. It's kind of big for the little journal, so you could use this in another book, but I just thought I'd include it anyways because it seems to suit with the colors. It's got a little heart on here, and it's a purse, and that opens like that. There's a little magnet, so you can write a little note in there like that. So I thought that was kind of cute. There's a little piece of ribbon across the back. So let's go through the pages just so you see what they look like. So there's tons of room for journaling, and you can also do some stamping in here. There's a variety of pages. So they're small pages, but I think it looks so cute. Now you can do, like I said, you can do some stamping and some drawing, and you can attach some pictures, but if you do include pictures, you're going to want to make sure that they're copies, because these pages are not acid free and you don't want to use your originals and damage them. Now in the middle of the signatures, I left the ties long because some people like to add beads and charms, and if not, you can always trim them down. So there's a whole variety of different papers in here. And that's why, even though it's a very small journal, there's a lot of room for notes. I think, yeah, I have a kit, not a kit, but an instruction tutorial online that shows how to make these. I think it comes with some printables. That's what it is. It's printables. And I'm pretty sure I have a video on my YouTube channel about these little minis. I got some graph paper, lined paper. This is parchment paper. This would make a cute stocking stuffer. It's a little bit chunky for a stocking, but a small gift for someone. I'll include in the listing how many pages there are. Some are full pages, others are half pages. I would count the half pages as 2 half pages as 1 page. And there's the back. So that's my little micro mini journal. Have a nice day. Happy crafting and happy journaling. Bye.